Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your project and ensuring the key files are present. Build, Gradle, and settings. Gradle must be loaded. Next, confirm your SDK path and the Gradle wrapper version in Gradle wrapper. Properties so dependencies resolve reliably. Once ready, click the Sync Project button or choose File, Sync Project with Gradle Files. This triggers dependency download and project model generation. Do this now to surface configuration errors early, because sync is the gateway to building and running your app. You'll see progress in the build window and event log. Read error lines carefully for missing artifacts, version conflicts, or plugin failures. If downloads stall, make sure repositories like Google and Maven Central are declared and your proxy settings or firewall allow connections. Once you identify a version mismatch, update the Gradle wrapper or Android Gradle plugin in Gradle wrapper. Properties and build. Gradle, then sync again. Also consider clearing the Gradle cache or toggling offline mode to narrow network issues. You finish by checking for the green sync successful message and then rebuild the project to confirm compilation passes. If problems continue, run Gradle from the terminal with /gradle assemble debug stack trace to get detailed diagnostics. This reveals causes that the IDE might hide. When errors are stubborn, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio or delete the Gradle folder in the project and resync. This forces a clean dependency fetch. One key tip: always inspect the first error in the log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.